Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very fresh mango. So guys can see the mango, very fresh. And in Nigeria it's very common everywhere. Anywhere you go, you see it everywhere because this is the season of fresh mango. So if you go to the market, even in the street, even your street, you see it everywhere. They are selling it and it's very cheap because this is the season. Like this one now, just 200 naira. I even bought it very costly because if I go to the market, gongo, I fit bought this one 50 naira because it's common everywhere. Anywhere you go, any corner you go, any street you go, you see mango. Even in your frontage, you see mango. People are selling it. And mango is very good in the body. If you lick it, some people lick it as a food. When you lick it or you eat it, I don't know. Anyhow you want to put it, either you lick or you eat. So you lick it and drink water. That is their meal. They can lick it in the afternoon, drink water. That is their meal. So lick it in the evening. So lick it in the morning, drink enough water. That is their meal. Because if you lick it plenty, drink water, the thing will belle for you. So many people bought it because of when they take it, drink water, they will not even bother to eat food or anything again. They can do anything they want to do without food or anything after taking it. So it's very common in Nigeria or everywhere in the whole country. Anywhere you go, you see mango. This is the season. You know it get season. Small time now, they will disappear. We will not see it again. But now, this is the season. Now till I think now till next month or so, the thing will dey. From next month to go, it will be going small. You will not see it as e dey everywhere again. So that is all for this fresh mango. So I bought it now because I came back from work. I dey very tired. So I will lick it and drink water and rest for now because I don't have time to cook and I dey very tired. I want to rest and I'm hungry. So I want to lick it and drink water. Then I'll rest for now. I'll rest because if by the time I lick it, drink water, I will not be hungry now again. I don't know whether I will eat today again. So it's very good in the body too. You can see how fresh it is. And e get some wey big pass this one, get some wey small pass this one. This is medium size. This is medium size. E get different size. And this one is medium size. Get the one you big pass this one. Get the one you small pass this one again. So that is all for fresh mango. So I've already washed it too. And if you buy it for market, make sure you wash it very well because you don't know where then take it pass through. So you have to wash it very well before you started licking it. So like I say, and this is very sweet oh. This one is sweet. If I'm eating my own, I eat it with the back. I eat it with the back. Some will lick their own, peel the back throw away. No. Me, I like eat it with the back. I like eating with the back because the back also is medicinal. You know, when you are eating it with the back, this one, the back, bitter small, and I like it like that. The way it's bitter small, I like it like that. So, and it's very sweet too. Can see. So I'll peel the back, so use knife to slice it and eat it. But I like to use my teeth and bite it and be eating it. I enjoy it like that. So guys can see, very fresh, very fresh and ripe again. You know, some some dey wey they will force to ripe. Those one dem boil water and pour. They will force that one to ripe, but this one real ripe. This one is very ripe and it's sweet also. Can see the one I ate, and I'll finish everything now. I'll eat all of them because it's very sweet. So that is all for fresh mango. In everywhere, anywhere you go, you see the mango. Anywhere you go, you see mango. So that is all for mango everywhere. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to a loved one. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye.